today I got the warning keyless remote battery low. I have a 2019 Honda Civic and it came up after about 2 years and 5 months because I'm not really using my car that much. So if you're using your car like every day, it's probably every about a year or so. First thing you're gonna look is at the back. There's a thing in here that you can slide up, and then you pull this out. This is the manual key that you can use for emergency purpose. And as you can see in here, in the middle, you use this one and you put it in between and twist it to open it up. And that's how you can open up the back. And as you can see, the battery is CR2032, which you can simply buy online, like on Amazon. Please see my link in my description below to purchase one. And just use a flat screwdriver to take it out. Okay. And that's it. Once you have a new battery, just put it on and close it up. And put it back. That's how simple it is. And you can start using it. This is for almost any Honda with the smart keyless entry. That's it. Thank you so much for watching. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell button. Thank you.